भी पीएमसी बैंक से जुड़े सदस्य हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और लगातार पीएमसी बैंक से जुड़ी हर एक छोटी बड़ी खबर से जुड़े रहें।
Hello,
Hello, good morning.
good morning.
Am I talking to Madam Pillai?
Yes, sir.
Madam Pillai, my name is Sunny Fernandez and I have been in touch with you on intervals.
Okay.
This is with
This is
regard.
regarding the PMC
Yes,
bank, no?
yes. I just called to congratulate and thank the RBI governor for the beautiful statement and encouraging assurance that has come through. Unfortunately, ma'am, the only thing missing is what all PMC depositors want to. They just want to hear two lines. One is their money is safe with interest, and they will get it at a period of time. That has never been coming out through any of the sources of governance or RBI, ma'am. So this is a humble plea. If this only message could be, given to the governor, sir, and the other concerned authorities with whom you're working, that yes, PMC is extremely grateful. But the only thing is what the frustration, what people are feeling is that, we are being fooled. I apologize for my language, that where we are being told after nearly 10 months that they're still working on a solution, ma'am. So that is something which, okay, maybe personally I feel is a very unfair statement. 10 months gone by, you're still working. Yes, it's nice to have people talking about it because there is always a feeling of assurance. But what we want to hear is just these two statements that yes, your money is safe with the interest and you will get it back within a period. Now, that period can be decided by RBI, but that is not coming through at all, ma'am.
So what we can do is we can just forward all your opinions and suggestions, sir, and that we will do it, sir.
Thank you so much, Madam Pillai, and thank you for giving me the liberty to stay in touch with you. This is the only thing what PMC Bank depositors want to hear, ma'am. Because all the other technical knowledge and banking knowledge is not what we want. We never went to deposit money in a bank with the knowledge. Unless, okay, if the RBI had to start rating the bank like how you have rating for restaurants, like this is 5 stars, this is 4 star. If they had a rating like that, I mean, I'm sure you would agree. Nobody even would have ever put money in PMC Bank. But PMC Bank, I know, was a 5 star bank. It is just a victim of, corruption, a victim of, theft or robbery. But now what we are looking at is, we're just wanting to know because already, ma'am, as you are aware, over 30 people, I mean, people say it is right up to 38 people have died, out of which 2 or 3 suicide cases, ma'am. 2 or 3
I
are
do understand, sir.
I'm not saying I can understand a death happening. It's definitely not something that can be accepted. But suicides, ma'am. I mean, we are only begging for mercy. We are
I
only.
do understand, sir. So what I can do is I can just forward all the suggestions and messages, and that I will do it, sir.
Yeah, please,
Okay?
madam. Just tell them only
Sure.
these two statements. Only these two statements, and you will be surprised. I don't know. Maybe you are getting a lot of calls, but I'm sure with this statement, people will just feel assured, and at least they will not panic and start calling up, senior people like you, ma'am.